A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on Filecoin and the Fil token. Wanted to make an update on that, also had to make an update on that because, well, let's be honest, to get into the video, I was wrong yesterday. Yesterday, to give a quick recap, we reached this level between $6.6 and $6.8. And I thought, all right, we already had a massive bullish breakout above this level around $6. It's enough for now. We're going to calm down a little bit. And then at some point I did say that I think I said something like this, excuse me, that was Discord or Telegram. I think at some point I did think we would do something like this, all ahead of, if you missed that, but that's the fundamental, at least one big fundamental catalyst behind moves like these, and that is that the Filecoin EVM is coming out somewhere in March, when, I'm not too sure about, I think it's March 14th or something. So I did expect something like this at some point in the future, just not this quickly. All right, so I just wanted to start with that. If you want to click away because I was wrong yesterday, then you're 100% allowed to do that, of course. But I still think I can add some value to your lives and to your thoughts on Filecoin. So let's get right into that. Right now, as you can see, volume is absolutely crazy at 1.5 billion. Compare that to other cryptos and you'll see it at place number 6. Even though the market cap is place number 26, of course. Most of the volume is coming from credible sources as well. There are some sources which I don't like that much, but it's proportionally not a problem. So now if we dive into the technicals. So what we did yesterday is we broke above that level between 6.8 and 6.6. And that brought us to this next resistance level, which is pretty strong. It has a lot of different components to it. First of all, you have 7.5, which is a psychological resistance level. You have $8, which is also a psychological resistance level. But apart from that, technically, this is also just a strong level, especially around 8 and 7.75. It's a strong technical level. You have the 2.618 FIP there. So this is a strong technical level. Now, fundamentally, Filecoin, as I tried to explain, is very bullish too. And the momentum in the market right now is unprecedented, or not unprecedented, but we haven't seen that for months, all right? So we can actually continue. We can actually continue, I think, up to this level between $9 and 9.5. Now the big question is are we going to do that now, or do we have to wait a little bit? Are we going to retrace a little bit, calm down, and that's it? And I think it all depends on 7.2. 7.2 is the very bottom of this bigger key area, and it houses the 236 FIP right now. What I think is going to happen is I think we're going to drop down there, which isn't that big of a prediction. But then if we can actually hold that level until the beginning of next week, so Monday morning, I think we're actually continuing this move straight away, beginning of next week. And I think we can actually move up to that $9 level, which is the next resistance level after the level we're at right now. Now, I have to say, I think this is, in terms of probability, it's a little bit less likely than the other scenario I will tell to you, but it's very well possible. In times like these, when there's a big bullish fundamental catalyst behind a crypto, like the Filecoin EVM, things like these are very well possible. And you must not forget that Filecoin, in terms of price, is still relatively low over the last year. As you can see, we're still lower than we were, for example, in August. Something to take into account. But I think it's more likely that we will find some support at 7.2, but then that we will drop down below that, get to this major support level around 6.75, 6.6, and hold that. We might spike down towards this next level around 6.2, but I don't expect any major resistance from there. I think we'll consolidate here, and then at some point I think we'll be able to break above 7.5 again somewhere next week, maybe the beginning of the week after, but that seems a little bit late. And then do something like this later. So I am expecting this, but for me the question is more, are we going to do it now, or do we need to have some retracement first? So that's my take on Filecoin for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.